Hey, check out what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It is a looker. It's a 1957 Chrysler Windsor two-door hardtop. Underneath the hood, I believe the V8 that became nicknamed the Semi-Hemi. It's a 354 V8. That's paired up with a push-button automatic transmission with push-button start even. We're going to get to that here in just a little bit. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work on the front end of this car. Check that out. Highlights around the headlights. Chrome on the bumper, bright work on the grille. And I believe this would have been very similar to a 1957 color that was available on the Windsor. Would have been Gogon red, ivory top. So check out the still pictures of this car from every angle. You'll be able to see the interior, undersides, engine bay, trunk. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Beautiful wire spoke wheels. Yes, that is a wheel, not a wheel cover. Wide white wall radial tires. And look at how straight these panels are. Let's go down this passenger side. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches. And yes, that paint looks as good in person as it does in the videos and the pictures. Nice shine to it, great stance. Interior actually still has the plastic seat covers on it. How cool is that? Kind of very era correct. Very stock looking dash. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. Seat belts installed up front. The ivory top also looking good. Definitely a car you're not going to see every day. How fun would this be for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows? Let's take a look at these big wings in the back, chrome in the rear bumper. Check that view out. All right, a few notes I want to tell you about this car. It does have dual exhaust. Transmission was recently rebuilt. Fresh oil change. New head gasket installed. New lower ball joints. Both radius arm bushings replaced. New front wheel cylinders and brakes are 80% in the front, new in the rear. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all those still pics. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Tell you what, if you like any of these 50s vehicles, if you like Chryslers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Look at the reflection in that paint, and again, how straight those panels are, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. You want to take home some trophies from the car show, here you go. Look at the fit of that door panel up on that front fender, and then coming back to the rear. That quarter panel, bright work, just beautiful up and down the side of that car. And I want you to listen to this door close. First of all, check out this door handle. How cool is that? And I'm going to barely push this. They don't make them like that anymore, and a lot of these restored cars that you see, they don't fit like this one does. There's no doubt about that. Let's take a look at this interior. So it's kind of a tritone with a beige or a taupe brown and black. It's a cool looking combination. Of course, matching the color in the seat, bench seat up front. I would call that kind of a taupe or a beige. You gotta love the pattern in it. It's got 50s written all over it. If I can get you down where you can see it a little bit better. About the headliner, crossbows all looking good. I have had the wipers working. I did not have the stereo produce any sound. Seemed to power up. Did not get any reception out of it. Love the dash in these. So first of all, we're going to come down here, turn the key. It also appears that it's had new carpeting put in it. It's a very nice interior. Dash looks great. All right, keys on. So we're going to come right over here. That's neutral. So we're going to push the neutral button. That's how you start it. Push button start. Now if we wanted to go into reverse and back up, we're going to push reverse and we would start to back up. We go back into neutral. I'm going to go ahead into drive. Back into neutral. All right. Odometer reads 58,257. I cannot confirm if that's original or not, due to the fact that once the car is a certain age, it is not recorded on the title. The miles are marked exempt. It appears that all these gauges are working. Technician noted the same thing. So fuel gauge, oil pressure up, amp meter, and that was a cold start. Again, I did not have the radio power up. Look at the location of the rear view mirror, how cool is that? The door closing again. And listen to this. We got a little rumble. This car is just downright cool. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to take a look at this engine bay. Any of you out there have any history with one of these cars, any knowledge of them, go ahead, leave us some comments down below the video in the comment section on YouTube here, and tell us about it. We always like to hear comments from our viewers, and let me know about that semi-Hemi. Was that the engine that became nicknamed the semi-Hemi, the 354 V8? Let's check it out. Alright, hood open, underside of the hood is clean as the rest of the car. And here it is, engine bay, power steering, power brakes. Battery new just back in January of 125, so just a year old. So you can see some Spitfire markings on that. And then if you look down, you kind of have that location of the spark plugs, and I think that's where that nickname may have came up. What a great looking engine bay. And crazy, think of that. There's a single carb sitting on top of that intake manifold. I have a feeling this one's not going to last long. What a cool car. 1957 Chrysler Windsor two-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist for transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a big 1957 Chrysler Windsor. Two-door, believe it or not, with great big fins on the back. A beautiful car. The radio works in this car. Actually, it sounds quite nice. Down below we have wipers that work. A big, stylish lever just with a W on it for wipers. A B on it for blower. The blower motor works as well. Push button shifting. Push in on the N for neutral to start the car after the key is turned, and then just put it in drive and go. It's an automatic transmission. Very smooth ride on the highway. Nice looking interior. We still got plastic on the seats protecting the front and rear bench seats. Fuel gauge reads a little less than half. The oil pressure is almost high, which is good. Temperature 3/4 of the way up. Or no, temperature is 1/4 of the way up. We have the C on the bottom, the H on the top, but it swings to your left. And the amp gauge is 3/4 of the way up. So that's all looking good. The battery's charging as it should. Brakes are very responsive. Some of that exhaust sounds like it's coming out under the car, which gives it a nice throaty sound. Power steering is excellent. Easy to drive. Comfortable car. With plenty of room, even though it's a two-door. Great styling from 1957. Almost everything looked good. Check out all the pictures of this 57 Chrysler Windsor at uniqueclassiccars.com.